What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and today I have a unboxing for you, and that is from TacPack. Now TacPack is a business that has a subscription based model that you subscribe to either a light, standard, or plus box. You get one every month in the mail, and you pay a lesser fee than the value of the items inside the box, as most all subscription models work. So obviously there's pros and cons to subscription-based products, but they are pretty cool in that you never know what you're going to end up getting. So it's kind of like Christmas once a month. This is the first box that I have ever gotten from TacPack, and I did already open that up, full disclosure, and this is for February 2025's monthly subscription box. So we're going to open it up, show what's inside here, and see if it's something you guys are interested in. Each box is going to come with your list of items that are in here, and this is the TacPack Plus. Alright, so item number one is the Q Tools Pivot Installer Tool. Alright, and that is this guy. Alright, so I did have to look up what this was. So this is a machine tool that is for that front pivot pin on your AR between the lower and upper, and it comes with the extra springs and detent. Part of the process in building or modifying the AR is potentially losing those springs or detent, and this tool is to help with prevent that from happening. From what I looked at, they are about 15 bucks. So that's a pretty cool item. I didn't know what it was, but I could see its value. Second item is one that I'm sure most all of us that are AR folks are probably familiar with, and that's the B5 grip. This is the Type 23, has a advanced angling, so I definitely will be putting that onto one of my ARs. So that's the B5 grip. Next item in this month's package is the Mission First Tactical, the magazine release. Now this is the enhanced magazine release. So typically you just have a small little button on your AR. This gives you a little bit more of a paddle to push so that you have more room to quickly drop that magazine for the reload. So I'll definitely be putting that onto one of mine. All mine are the that I have on my ARs are the mil spec that come with that. Next item in this month's box is the Mission First Tactical, the Chamber Safety Flag. Now this is probably something that I'm personally not going to end up using, but some people have to use this when they go to ranges. They're going to want to see that your weapon is clear when you come on and off the range. Alright, so you can use this, slides down the barrel, you have the tag sticking out, then you can see the yellow on both ends, then you know that your chamber is completely clear when you're coming off or onto the range. So for some folks, this may be a very beneficial item. Also, I guess to say if you're transporting, it may be something that you want to have in there so you don't have to worry about anything. So I don't know. I'm probably not going to end up using that item, but it may be something that others will. This one looks kind of cool. This is the Infinite Defense shooting target. Alright, so this one is a really cool cutout of a squirrel, and on it it says that it can take up to 110 rounds of 5.56 per square inch. So that's crazy. I don't know what that is made of or how that works, but I will definitely be adding this to my personal range to give me something cool to shoot at, and especially if it can handle that many rounds. That's pretty cool. And it's a smaller target, so you put that out at 50 yards or something like that, helps you work on some of that shooting, so I will definitely be using that. Oh, and every month, from what I have seen, they always have a pretty unique sticker, and this one is Tony the Tiger. holding an AR there, and he says they're great, which is a pretty cool looking sticker. I like that. All right, so that's everything that comes in the standard pack for this month. So if you were going to order the TacPack for February in the standard, that's the items that you get inside of that. All right, so for the plus item that is in the box, that is going to be the Luth AR MBA 3 stock. All right, so I personally had not heard of this company, but by just looking at what they are making here, looks pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and this thing is looking pretty sweet, to be honest with you. Looks like we have basically every adjustment you could probably want in a buttstock. We got the adding for the length. We also have a cheek riser. Looks like it's manufactured to hold your Allen tool. Has looks like QD mounts on it. Even has a little pick rail here on the bottom. I don't know what you'd put on that, but that looks pretty cool. Seems sturdy. Pretty cool looking stock. I think that would greatly, it'd be something to greatly increase your accuracy in your shooting if you're looking at something to be a longer range shot. You can definitely throw that on an AR-15 and give you a little more accuracy getting out to that 300 to 500 yards. Being also a great item on an AR-10 and 308. So that's pretty cool. And get a little pamphlet here talking about how to adjust the stock and install it. So that is a pretty awesome item, and they are listing that or showing it at $170 for that buttstock. So all in all, we're getting the in this month's pack, you get the AR Luth, the B5, or the Luth AR, the B5 pistol grip, the Infinite Defense target, the MFT chamber flag, MFT enhanced mag release, the Pew tool, and the sticker. So these are the items that you are getting in the February's box. So at the end of each one of the little cards that comes in, it gives a hint for what is in the next month's box. And the standard box says first aid and EDC pieces, as well as another part from B5. And the plus box comes with the essential range piece worth $200. So, you know, like I said, the subscription models, they're really cool because you're getting a little more value for your money, but you don't really know what you're going to end up getting until you get it. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, I would definitely recommend checking out the TacPack. Everything's kind of the AR platform type components. So, you know, you could get this for a little while and you get all types of extras for your weapons. So, you know, not necessarily a bad deal. If this is something you guys are interested in, I'm going to put the link down below if you want to go check them out and pick yourself up some TacPack, get some more accessories or modifications for your AR. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.